Kind regards, my name is Jorge Hernan Galvis. I am 36 years old. I live in Villa Maria, Caldas. I am studying the 7th semester of English degree. Below, I attach my contact information. Expectation for the course. My first objective is the continued advancement at the level of English, because so far I consider that I have a low level of English. Learn to analyze different specific needs for teaching English. That is, as a future teacher, make a correct interpretation of the specific characteristics of the different groups of students. To learn to design and design materials according to learning styles, as well as texts and exams that allow knowledge to be verified. Answer the questions. According to the course description, what could your personal goal be while completing the course and week? My personal goal for the course is to have a better understanding of language teaching in different contexts. 2. According to the course contents, how do you think the course will help you to improve your teach competence? The course not only focuses on studying skills, but also on analyzing the specific needs of a student to design teaching strategies. 3. According to the course contents, what are your 5 topics you like the most? And I like the study of skill, teacher development, needs analysis, and the production of tools that facilitate teaching and learning in a specific context. 4. According to the course context, how does ESP relate to your language learning experience? The context on the course relate to my learning experience because I like it to design strategies that facilitate my own learning. 5. Have you been enrolled in an ESP course in the past? If so, which one? How did you like it? My experience has been online. I like it, native teacher. Okay, thank you. Bye.